So, these stories that I am going to share with you are from the heart, the soul, and the spirit of the animals. And to me, they represent this space that is very sacred to me. It's a space that when I am connecting to the spirit that resides in me, to my connection to the animal kingdom, and when I go deep in meditation and when I go deep into this connection, words open, let's put it like that, opens up in my heart and appears on paper when I write. And I've decided to share these stories with you, raw and unedited. And as I said, these are stories from the heart, the soul, and the spirit of the animals. And they were given to me as how to best to describe my words and how to describe my work. And I read, I've worked quite a while to be able to perform this. So here it goes, the raw and honest sharing from my heart and from the animals' hearts to you. I have walked 1,000 miles in the paw prints of the animals of this world and the next, sharing their voice and sharing their stories. And I will walk many thousands more in this life and in the next. And the sharing within us relieves us from all the despair and returns us to the unity of oneness. And throughout these stories that I will share with you, I will share what we humans can learn from the animals on so many levels. Because I believe that inside of us, we all have a deep connection to nature. And sometimes we lose it. But in this connection to nature, where we can find access and regain this access and this connection in the conscious awareness work with animals. They can lead us and guide us in the right direction, guide us back to our own home within us. And also, I truly in my heart believe that caring for, taking care of, and saving the animals on this planet is everybody's responsibility. So this is my contribution. And I want, with the storytelling, to ignite a compassion in people's hearts. Because through this compassion, this is where we open our hearts and we connect to the source within us. And it opens a space to love in us when compassion is flowing through our system. Because only if we hold this space of love open to each other, this compassionate space open for each other, transformational shifts can guide us to the next level of our consciousness. And these frequencies will shift and raise up. And it will raise up our compassion a little further, thereby initiating this circle all over again, and this time on a higher level. Because when animals suffer, humans suffer. And when humans suffer, animals suffer. And when animals suffer, Mother Earth is in pain. And when Mother Earth is in pain, the connection to oneness is disturbed in us. And when oneness in us is disturbed, we are suffering. And when one suffers, we all suffer. Because from source we come, and in source we are all the same. So we need to take care of the animals, so they can help us take care of us. Thank you.